Sales was hard until I understood this. The Secret 100K a Month Sales Manual. I was taught the principles inside this book by my sales mentor, the Underground Mentor. Not just theoretically, but to actually live by them. That is the value of having a mentor instead of a course or just a book. Someone that can hold you accountable to the identity level change that results in changing your outer reality. My outer reality turned upside down. I went from earning $2,000 a month, lost, broke, having no direction in life, drinking alcohol every weekend to drown myself from the fact that I had no purpose. And 17 months later, after aligning myself with a mentor who lived by these principles and ensured that I did the same too, I earned over $100,000 a month in commissions. 17 months. Because instead of reading a script and faking tonality and memorizing word tracks, I became a different version of myself. David Hawkins, the author of this book, has other books that you may have seen like Letting Go or Power versus Force or Transcending the Levels of Consciousness. And these books are more powerful sales manuals than any script that you could ever get your hands on. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what is contained inside this 100K secret sales manual that will transform your life as a salesperson in two distinct ways. Number one, you'll earn significantly more money. I've taken 5 closers now, one including myself, to all earning over $100,000 a month in commissions by living by these principles inside this book and selling in a way called Self-Actualized Sales that combines selling with spiritual principles. And on top of that, not only are you going to make significantly more money, sales goes from being hard to, dare I say it, easy. You make more money and it's a lot easier to do it. It almost sounds too good to be true. And it would be if it was for the fact that you were trying to do things in the linear world, the 3-dimensional world, the Newtonian world. But when you do things in the 4th dimension, the spiritual realm, you can have things that almost seem like contradictions. More money, more easily. So I'm going to share with you in this video how that can be the case, how you can implement this, and then at the end of the video, one thing that will prevent you from implementing it if you do not get in front of it. So let's crack into the video. So these books, Truth versus Falsehood, Letting Go, Power versus Force, Transcending the Levels of Consciousness, they all talk about something called the levels of consciousness, which is a way to see reality. You don't just have one reality, even though you only see one reality with your eyes. There's actually multiple versions of reality, almost like parallel universes. And those realities will be experienced or not by you based on your frequency. So think of it like this. You have a radio and you have a radio station. And how you tune the radio, let's say you put it to 200 hertz, will depend what music you pick up. You'll pick up music that's being transmitted at the frequency of 200 hertz. So you have all these different versions of reality that you can't even comprehend. Your senses don't pick them up unless you're tuned into them. And the map that tells you which frequency you're on is known as the levels of consciousness, according to David Hawkins. There's other versions, but this is the one that makes the most sense to me, that was the most applicable, and that transformed my life financially and internally. And so the levels of consciousness looks like a triangle. And at the top of the triangle, you've got high levels of consciousness, which are actually denoted or explained based on emotions. So at the top, you have emotions like peace and love and joy. Further at the bottom, at the low levels of consciousness, you have negative emotions like shame and guilt and fear and apathy. And pride is even pretty low down there. And so the levels of consciousness gives you this new way of seeing reality where if your outside reality is not what you want it to be, you need to shift your internal reality. You need to change your level of consciousness. Specifically, you need to change the emotional state that you're currently residing in. Instead of being in an emotional state of apathy or fear, you shift up to a higher emotional state like courage, like acceptance, and ultimately like peace and love and joy. So that's the first thing to understand. Without that, we can't go any further in this video. You've got the levels of consciousness. Now, the levels of consciousness triangle has all of these different levels. I don't know the exact number. Let's say there's about 12 of them. And they each have a number. So for example, level 200 is the center, which is courage. That's the middle of the triangle where you shift from low states of consciousness, low levels, to high states of consciousness or high levels. And if we keep it very simple, at the top, you have positive states. At the bottom, you have negative states. But one of the things that also delineates the top from the bottom, the reality that will transmit the life that you want to live versus the life that you're probably living now that you don't want to live, is truth versus falsehood. Not only are the positive emotions positive, they're emotions that are based on truth. The lower emotions, the negative ones, are emotions that are all based on falsehood. In other words, if you move as a person from falsehood into truth, you will transcend the levels of consciousness and go from negative emotions into positive emotions, which not only changes how you feel and how you experience life. Instead of being down and depressed, you're now happy and positive and light and free. But when you change your level of consciousness, just like the radio and the radio station, what you end up experiencing in your outer reality completely changes. It goes from the life that you're living now where you're poor, sales is hard, you don't have abundance, you don't have freedom, you don't have choices, you don't have options, to a life where you do have freedom and choices and options and abundance. You can have the watch, you can have the house, you can have the car, you can have the travel, you can take care of your parents, you can retire your parents, you can live that life of your dreams. It all comes down to understanding what's in these books, which is the levels of consciousness. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.